Okay, this is part 2 of the video series for day 2, and in this part 2 of the video series I'm going to walk you through how to validate and update boundary delimitations using updated data from NEC and the census data. So again, for this you have to log in just like all other ones, but you don't have to log in with a user account that have access to publish, because we don't have strict moderation policies for the boundaries. So to log in, I will click on get involved, and then I'll click on login. And from here, I'm going to log in with an account called volunteer. I'll call this demo volunteer. And let's see. Okay, the entry. Okay, some reason I'm not able to log in with that, so I'm just going to log in with my publisher account. So I want to work on district delimitation. So I'm going to click on manage again, and I'm going to click on content. I'm going to walk through a few examples. So I'm going to take sections, for example, or let's say words. I'm going to take words. So I'm going to click on words, and then look at word 001. I'll click edit on word 001. So I need word 001. Another information that you are going to need for this is you're going to need data from NEC. So the data from NEC that you need for this is available under boundary delimitations, and then you have this called boundary delimitation word description and map. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to look in here for ward 001 is going to be in Kailahu. So this is Kailahu district. This is ward 001. So this is the first information I have for ward 001. So I'm going to try to verify this information. As you can see, it's 15. This is the population of that ward. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back here, structure, and I go back to wards, and then I click edit on 001. And from here, ward 001 is in Kailahu district, and I have that description already here, but is this enough? I'm not sure right now. So I'm going to leave this like that. I'm going to go here and look for more information about ward 001. So I'm going to scroll down. This is the basic information. Then I come back, Kailahu, ward number 001. It's in what chiefdom? It's in Kisi Tongi chiefdom. So I will then click here and look for the chiefdom information for that ward if it's related. It looks like the chiefdom information is not here. I'm going to add that field so you'll be able to add the chiefdom for this ward. Now, geographic data, I'm going to click here to try to edit this geographic data. And first thing I need, 001 is in Kailahu, and it's in what sections? It's in Upper Pokoli and Bendu. So I'm going to select one of these sections, and I'm going to try to search for one of them on the map. Let me see if I can find any like this. I'm going to do an estimate. I couldn't find any, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to check for this one and see if I can find that on the map. I found that in Guinea. That's not the one I want. And I'm going to take the second one, and I'm going to look for the second one, and I click search. I couldn't find that. So because I couldn't find any of these, I'm just going to say word one like that. I still couldn't find it. So since it's in Kailahu district, the best I can do is put the map in Kailahu district or in Kailahu. So I'm going to put the map in Kailahu like this. Next, I'm going to look for NEC population data. I'm going to click add NEC population data. This election year is 2018, so I'll select this, and I need the NEC population data. So the NEC, according to NEC here, Kisitongi or 001 is part of Kisitongi. The total population is this. I'm not sure if this is the total population of the total population or registered voters, but let me see here. Total is 15,841. Okay, 15,841. Let me look and compare it to 15,841. Okay, so that's the population. So I'm going to put that as the population. That's not the registered voters because I don't know if it's the registered voters. So I'm going to put that under population. I don't know the male or female population. I don't know the registered voters. So I'll leave that alone. Now, census data. This is a ward. We don't have census data by ward. So I'm not going to do anything with the census data. I'm just going to leave that blank, but I will uh, remove this and confirm that, and then I'm going to click census data over here, and I'm going to choose 2018, but I'm going to leave it blank because I don't have that information. Next, again, we need the data source. Here we can put NEC. We are pulling this information from NEC, and then hit save. And you can see now that ward 001, the census year is this, the NEC population is this for this year, and it is on the map over here. So that is how we will update the wards. Most important, you want to come down to this level where you have these details of the map, right? And I don't think we have any other details past that for that ward, other than if you come down here and you look under Kailan, you will see all the delimitations. So you will find that actually ward 001 is right here. Let me see. So we can approximate the location. So this is 5. Ward 1 is right here at the corner over here. See over here, this is Ward 1. It's right at the corner, at the tip of Kailanho, all the way up here. So I can go back to that and I click Edit for the map, and I can try to approximate that. So this is not over here. It looks like it's all the way up somewhere here. It's somewhere up here, because if I look at this map, look where it is up here. It's somewhere up here. So I can blow this up and try to see where it is. Say Upper Konya, Bendu, Bengu, and then Upper Wat. So it's right at the corner, at the edge here by Kwendu. So I can safely assume that this is somewhere actually along here, because I know this area a little bit. So this is much better from the map point of view compared to just putting that on Kailanho. So now I have it much closer. Later, when we have someone in this area, that person will be able to map this correctly. So we've done with that word. Now I will try to edit a constituency. And for the constituency, I'm going to pick one constituency, 001 again. So I'm going to pick constituency 001. And I'm going to go back and close this document, and I'm going to open the one that says BD constituency description. So I open this, and I'm going to look for the constituency description for 001. This is again the constituency description for 001. So I'll copy that, and I will see that it's the same information. We already have it here, so we don't need that. Constituency 001 is in Kailanho district, and I don't have any image of it, so I'm going to leave it blank. And the geographic data, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to try to find that. And then NEC population, I'm going to click this, and then the census, I'm going to click this. So for the census, I'll choose 2018. NEC, I'll choose 2018. So let me go look now for more details about this constituency. So we can find out constituency 1 is part of chiefdom. Kisitongi is the only chiefdom that's in that constituency, and the population is this one. So I will copy that population data, and I will put that under the NEC population data right here. This is for NEC population data total. We don't have the male or female. And then I will scroll down a little bit and see constituency 1. These are the various constituencies in Kailanho. So constituency 1 look like it's somewhere here again in the corner here. This looks like constituency 1, and then constituency 2 is the green here, and then constituency 3, constituency 4, and all that. So with that said, I am going to move my map icon somewhere around the corner here. So I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to move my map to say Kailahu like this, and I'm going to zoom out a little, and I'm actually going to put this place called Buyedu, this one right here, Buyedu, like that, and I'm going to choose that, and that will put it in Buyedu, which is very close to where that thing is for that constituency, right? And then I will scroll down, and for the data source I will put neck again, and then I'll save. So I've just edited constituency 1. I have detailed information about that constituency now. Okay, next I will look at a district. So for a district, I will choose here district, and I will try to edit one district. So I'm going to try to edit Bombali district, for example. So I'm going to click edit, and I'm not sure if I will find much information about Bombali district, but let's see here. I'm going to look under the constituencies, and I'm going to look for Bombali like that, and look at Bombali district. You say, for the purpose of electing ordinary members of parliament, Bombali district is hereby divided into 8 constituencies as described in the schedule. I'm going to take this, and I need this information for that. So I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and the region is already not, right? So for Bombali, the headquarter town for Bombali district is Makeni. So I'm going to look here for an image with the name Makeni. So I'm going to say Makeni. And I already have an image with the name Makeni. And I'm going to pick that image up. For some reason, it looks like that image is not popping up. Then I'm going to click on the map. And then I'm going to put here Makeni, Sierra Leone. And the map is on Makeni now. And I'll click on census data, and for Bombali, let's see what do we have. So for Bombali, the census data will be, you will have to add all of this population over here, and that will give you everything for Bombali. So district total is this. So for the district of Bombali, this is the total. So I will pick that total up. And we even have a map of Bombali here. So I will pick that total up, and I'll put that total here on the neck, right? So since Bombali is a district, based on the previous census data, we can find the census data for Bombali, because Bombali is a district. So I'm going to choose here 2018, 2018. Another thing that we may be able to do from this information is we may be able to save this map. So I'm going to download this so that we can save this map and upload this actual map as the image for Bombali. So let me see if we can do that. So so that's the total, and Bombali is here. Let me see if I'm able to save that. Save as. No, I cannot save that. Okay, I'm going to extract those maps later on. Okay, so another thing we can do about Bombali is I can put like this, say Bombali district, so we can find some more information about Bombali on Wikipedia. And we have some information here. So I will copy just this top summary about Bombali here. And then I will go here and I will put, this is district, and I will put this, I will type that information right here like that. Okay. And some of this is coming from NEC and some is coming from Wikipedia. So I will select here, and then I will scroll down and say the source is Wikipedia. I will add another, and the source is NEC. So it's from Wikipedia and from NEC. Those are the two places that we got our source. And another source we are going to add is going to be statistics Sierra Leone, because we have that data as well. So for that statistics data, I'm going to go back and I'm going to open the 2015 statistics, and then I will scroll all the way down to where the detailed statistics is. This one, it starts at page 16, and from here I can see distribution of population by region. So I can look here for Bombali. This was the total population for Bombali at the time of the census. So I will put here, this is census population. I will put here, okay, so remember this is census and this is NEC. It's two different ones. So for the census, this was supposed to be for NEC and this was supposed to be for the census. And then I'll go back and I'll pick this up for the male for Bombali and put it here for census. And then I'll go back and I'll take the female for Bombali and I'll put it up here. So this is census data, this is not NEC. And for the election 2018, the last census data was 2015 and this was those numbers. So we're just going to put those there. And this is NEC. We don't have the breakdown for male and female from NEC, so we'll leave that like that. And then we can then safely take that out. And now that we have all of this information in, we can safely save this. I don't like the links in this, so I will copy this information out like that. And if you have Notepad, just open Notepad on your computer. So open Notepad like this and paste that information like this, copy it back out, and then come back and put it in here so that you can get rid of those links. And now it's going to be formatted according to the way the system wants it, and then save. And now I've saved Bombali. So Bombali, I have some information about Bombali district now. So that's how you edit the district. And if I go to, I've edited a district, I've edited a constituency, I've edited a ward. If I want to edit a chiefdom, I'm not sure if we have much information about the chiefdom, but if I go here, I can see that the chiefdom is this name and then district is this, and the chief, we don't know what the chief is. We know the district headquarter town to be this, and this population information, I'm not sure if we have any of this information at this point. So all you have to do is just check this and verify and then save, and you are done. If we have any of that other information, we will populate that information. For sections, you will click on this, and let's say we take this section for example. The section information, we will find this under the, we will find this when we go back to the word description. So if I open back the word description, I can search within this word description, and I can find that that section, this word consists of these sections. It's in right here. So we can see that this section is part of word number is right here. So it's part of word 371. So if I click edit, the word is 371. So I'll put that word, and this is under Pujehu. And do I have any description for it? I'm not sure. I'm going to go back here. What is the population for this section? The population is this. So I'm going to scroll down and click here for NEC population data. And I'm going to choose 2018, and I'll put this as the population for that ward. And then go back. Anything else I can learn about this ward? Nothing else I can learn about that word, but I can tell this word is in Pujehu because I can see Pujehu map here, and if I scroll up all the way up, I can see that it was under Pujehu. So that's all I need from the word's point of view. I know it is part of this chiefdom Malam. So if we also have the chiefdom field here, we can then add the chiefdom of the ward. So you will have the chiefdom field here as well. So I'll click save on this. And now I've populated the data for that ward. And we have it right here. Okay, so that's all for editing district delimitation information. Okay, thank you.